You must have heard about Tassar silk. So Tassar silkaचे collection तांगेलागी असं. So this is in the pastel pink, pastel orange and green along with yellow. बनारस सारीज म्हणताना की बनारस सारी म्हळ्यार जड कपड कशी ते हेवी बनारस सारी न्हेसचे म्हणून. बट अक्षय टेक्सटाइल्स हैज़ सॉफ्ट बनारस सारीज विच इवन आई डिडंट न्यू अबाउट इट. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬನಾರಸ್. ಸೊ ಏಕ್ ತಾನಿ ಸೊಡವಾನ್ ದಾಖೇಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬನಾರಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ಅಂತೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ. Next beautiful sarees which she is showing us is of a linen material, but you can see the design, it's so beautiful, completely floral design. Namaskar Upura Janake. Today I have come to cover the third episode of the Sari shopping series. I'm going to show you some of the beautiful collections which Akshay Textiles has. So let's go and see. Before going inside, I'll show you where is this shop exactly located. So here on my right hand side, this road goes towards the central market, and on my left hand side, this road goes towards the Kashri. So yes, let's go inside the store Akshay Textiles and see what is the collection. Okay. Madam, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೀರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಲೋ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕಾಟನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 560 ಎಲ್ಲ. So all these sarees are cotton sarees which you can wear for daily use, office wear and all. So all are under 600, 500, 600. All these you can. Okay, let's see this saree how it looks when you open this. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ border ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸಪೂರ್ border. Okay. ಇದೇ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸಾರಿ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ. So first she has shown some of the cotton ranges in their collection. So next see, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು material? Synthetic. So in synthetic also they have some very good collections. You can see the bright colors. It's very soft and very comfortable to wear. ಇದು ಲೋ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಸಾರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ and this saree comes for just rupees 480. So you can see at such low range you can get such beautiful sarees. Next collection which she is showing us is of Banaras. So you don't need to worry that Banaras sarees are very costly. No, Banaras sarees also comes in low range. So idakke price
498.
Oh my god. So can you believe it? In 400 below 500 you can get Banaras sarees and the color combinations are very beautiful. Idaರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? So let's see this beautiful pink and green color combination. The pallu is very beautiful and it's grand. This also comes with a plain blouse. Next collection which she is showing us is the synthetic type, but I'll just show it to you closely. It has some beautiful bindi sticker type. The next material which she is showing us is linen cotton. ಹೇಗೆ ರೇಟ್?
498. 670.
So the first plain one is 498. Others are 670. So if you are a linen cotton fan, you can take this as an option. So next collection which she is showing us is synthetic in Banaras. These also has some very beautiful color combinations. You can see this. Next collection which she is showing us is of the mixed cotton type. So this also is really very comfortable. The rates of this is very less. You can get this beautiful sarees at just 440 300 range. Next collection is really has surprised me a lot. This are just for rupees 290, and at that rate it's very difficult to get a beautiful saree. Next collection which she is showing us is of a very soft material. It is synthetic, but when you feel it, when you wear it, it will be like a marble material. I am sure marble sarees are a part of your wardrobe. So if you have marble sarees, do comment us. So yes, this beautiful saree is just for rupees 390. Next beautiful sarees which she is showing us is of a linen material, completely floral design with the white background. You can get different color combinations also. Just like you can see this first saree which has a purple tint. The one open ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Let's see the pallu. My god, it's so beautiful. You can see. I really feel you should buy this one. Next is of a cotton silk type. In this part of the collection, the blouse comes separately. So you can see the color combinations which is available in this one for 500 to 600 range. As you know, now it's the Onam season. So for Onam, ladies usually search for shops. In all shops, you don't get Onam sarees. But yes, Akshay Textiles has some beautiful collection of Onam sarees. So I'll show you. In Onam sarees also, original, traditional type Onam saree. This will be in the plain one. In Onam sarees also, you can get varieties of that. So this you can see with the red and blue border, with the green border, and this is like it has full work, golden work over that. In Onam sarees also you can get some embroidered type. You can see beautiful golden, red and green designs are there. Some work is there, and all Onam sarees will come with blouse. These two are also very unique. All Onam sarees will come in cotton material. This one Onam saree is really very different. This is in the linen material. You can see the color, it's very vibrant. So Onam sarees start from 390 up to it. The range goes to 500, 600. But yes, the material, the quality is very good. As I told you in my earlier video, check saree was a huge hit and a trend. So yes, this is like an all-time favorite for some ladies, and ladies prefer this check saree. So Akshay has some check saree collection also. So this you can see, this is like the big checks design, these three, and this is like the small checks. बायल मनशांक युजली काम करताना आणि कम्फर्टेबल असताना ಕೆಲವು ಬಾयल मनशांक ऑयला किरगी प्रेफर करतांचे. सो अक्षय टेक्सटाइल्स अंतू ऑयला किरगी आसा. ऑयला किरगी अंतू पळय हे चारी आशिल्ले त्याचे के लो रेंज अंतू म्हळ्यार इन 300s आणि 400s अंतू ऑयला किरगी. ऑयला किरगी अंतूची वयली रेंज आसा. सो दीज फोर विच यू कॅन सी, दिस इज इन द 600 and 700 रेंज. सो वयला किरगी अंतू तुमकां क्वालिटी डिफरन्स मेळटा. and yes, you have different color options available in this type. Next collection which she is showing us is the art silk. So if I'm touching this material is really looks very comfortable, and all this art silk comes in the 1000 range. So I'll request her to just open one saree and show us how the pallu is. Idu ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. So art silk ಅಂತೂ कशी दिसता म्हण पळय. Oh wow. 1000 range ಅಂತೂ तुमका अशी beautiful saree मेळताच म्हणजे री. You can definitely go for this. It's like a very pretty color combination of black and red. Next collection which she has shown us is the without border sarees. So as I said in the last videos also, without border sarees are really trending now. People prefer sarees of particular color combinations without border. And yes, I forgot to tell you the range. The range is in thousands, 1000, 1100. You can get this no border saree. Next collection is of silk cotton. So in silk cotton also they have some like you can see, this is a very different color combination, but yes, when you wear it will definitely look good on you. Light purple with the chrome yellow color combination. Next collection is of the soft silk. So I'll just request her to just open this one. I really like this color combination, and let us open and see the pallu of this. Idondu pallu ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? So this saree comes in the range of 1000, 1100. Soft silk antu dakelevari, soft cotton antuve tangalagi collection is. So all these are in soft cotton, and it's at a very reasonable rate at around 990. आता इतलं मटेरियल पळयताना प्युअर कॉटन पळो का ना प्युअर कॉटन सारीज हांगेले कलेक्शन आसा. सो दिस ब्युटिफुल कलेक्शन. So all these are pure cotton sarees at a very reasonable rate of around 1900. You can see these two colors. These are in the pastel shade. Next collection is pure cotton but in thread work. So thread work antu cotton ache sarees tangale collection asa. But अशी थ्रेड वर्क केलेले कॉटन सारीज तुमकां कधीशी अशा पुरो ये कॉस्टली अशा पुरो म्हणून. बट नो, दीज सारीज आर वेरी अफोर्डेबल. So these beautiful thread work cotton sarees are just in the range of 700 and 800. ಕೆಲವು ಬೈಲ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯಂಕ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಕಾಪಡ್ नेशाक मस्त चंद दिसता. तांकां मस्त प्रीती तांकां ते गोल्डन कापड नेशाक. तशी ह्या शॉपांतू गोल्डन कापडे ताजे तांगेलागी कलेक्शन आसा. सो वेरी ब्युटिफुल गोल्डन sarees are available with Akshay Textiles. You can see the variety in that. So as you can see in the picture, it's with a green pallu, and the whole saree will come in golden color. Surprisingly, these beautiful golden sarees come in the range of 600 to 800. So in this section I showed you some of the low range sarees below 1000. So yes, next section we'll have a look at some of their grand sarees in silk, in cotton, in Kanjivaram, and also in fancy. So first ಯಾವ ಸಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದು ಕಾಟನ್, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ? So in 1800, 1600, you can get pure cotton sarees. Be assured of the quality, it's very good. So these sarees are without zari border. Next collection which he is showing us is pure cotton but with zari border. So with zari border also they have quite a good range, and this also will come in 1500 1800 range. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? Let's open one and see how beautiful the pallu is. Wow. So as he is telling us, it's the Ganga Jamuna border. Very beautiful color combination with light blue body, dark blue and green border. So edolde tumka फॅन्सी सारीज अंतू लो बजेट अंतू ಕೆಲವು सकट चंद किरगी दाखयले. आता आमी कापडा सेक्शन आता पळोवया कसकसन हांगेले रेंज आसा म्हणून. रायट फ्रॉम कॉटन सारीज, प्युअर कॉटन, प्युअर सिल्क आनी ತಂತು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೂ ಹೈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕಂಚಿ ಕಂಚಿ ಕಾಪಡ್ ಅಸ್ म्हणून ते पळोवया. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್? प्युअर कॉटन ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ ಕಾಟನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ ಕಾಟನ್ हाजे कलर्स पळय हांची. हाजे रेंज अराउंड 1400 1500 रेंज अंतू तुमकां ब्युटिफूल हँडलूम कॉटन सारीज मेळटा. नेक्स्ट कापड तांणी दाखयता सांची इट इज कॉटन सिल्क. सो कॉटन सिल्क अंतू तांगेलें चंद कलेक्शन आसा पळय. सो हे पूरा कॉटन सिल्क. सो हाजे बॉर्डर आनी हाजे पल्लू आनी पळय येता भारी चंद आसा. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು?
2250.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾ ಪೂರ 2000 ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೂ 2200 ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೂ तुमका कॉटन सिल्क सारीज मेळटा. नेक्स्ट कापड आनी दाखयता सांची पोचमपल्ली सारीज अंतू कॉटन सिल्काचे पोचमपल्ली सारीज हॅव सम व्हेरी गुड कलर कॉम्बिनेशन्स. सो लेट्स सी दैट ऑल्सो.
ಇದೊಂದು ಬನಾರಸ್.
ಸೊ या तुम्ही पळय येता भारी चंद कलर कॉम्बिनेशन्स हाजे जस्ट इन द रेंज ऑफ 2500 to 2700. एक हांव तुमकां जस्ट एक अशी ओपन करून दाखयता कशें दिसता म्हणून. सो हे हाजे पल्लू नेस्लर आनी भारी चंद दिसता. सो तांगे लागीं लिनन कॉटन अंतू एक कलेक्शन आसा इन द हायर एंड. सो हायर एंड म्हणटाना क्वालिटी कॉम्प्रमायज जायनी अंतू क्वालिटी भारी चंद आसा. and the color combination is also very sober and very beautiful. So you can see this has like a light blue body along with the dark blue pallu, and this is not costing much. It is just for rupees 1300. This also is linen cotton with the grey and black combination. So next collection which we are seeing is pure linen. प्युअर लिनन अंतू आहे ताजे मटेरियल एक कापड मेगे लागी असं त्या कितलं कम्फर्टेबल असं म्हळ्यार घालूक तुमकां तें न्हेसताना न्हेसल्यागी ना म्हूण कळेश ना तितलो सॉफ्ट एंड व्हेरी कम्फर्टेबल मटेरियल. सो दे हॅव लिनन कॉटन ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ देम. यू कैन सी द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದು ಪಲ್ಲು ಅಲ್ಲ? पल्लू ಅಂತೂ स्मॉल ग्लासेस आसा आनी प्लेन ब्लॅक ब्लाउज. यू मस्ट हॅव हर्ड अबाउट टस्सार सिल्क. सो टस्सार सिल्काचे कलेक्शन तांगा लागीं आसा and believe me all are pastel color combination. Pastel colors are really a trend now. Very beautiful टस्सार silk collection. Let's see. So this is in the pastel pink, pastel orange and green along with yellow. The range of this Tassar silk sarees are just in 2200 to 2400 range. Next collection is of cotton silk. Before this also I showed you some of the cotton silk sarees range, but that was in the lower range. It was below 1000. So this next cotton silk saree collection is in the higher end, starting from 1400 up to 2000 2100. So that also is there with this shop. So let's see the color combination. बनारस सारीज म्हणटाना तुमकां जड कापड जावं का तशी फील येता की बनारस साडी म्हळ्यार रे जड कापड कशी ते हेवी बनारस साडी न्हेसचें म्हणून. बट अक्षय टेक्सटाइल्स हॅज सॉफ्ट बनारस सारीज विच इवन आय डिडंट न्यू अबाउट इट. सो सॉफ्ट बनारस सारीजचे कलेक्शन पळया. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬನಾರಸ್. ಸೊ ಏಕ್ ತಾನಿ ಸೊಡವಾನ್ ದಾಖೇಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬನಾರಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ಅಂತೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ. So in the earlier section I showed you some of the low range tissue sarees. So in the higher end also they have some very good high end tissue sarees. So I'll show you. These three are in the 3000 range in the tissue sarees. Similarly, in the tissue sarees, there is higher end above 4000. So these three, which you can see, beautiful color combinations, are in above 4000 range in the tissue sarees. अठराती कापड तुमकां ऑप्शन्स जाव का म्हणजे रे अठराती कापडाचे ऑप्शन आसता लागी बनारस अंतू देर आर वेरी ब्युटिफुल 18 yards बनारस sarees. That also I'll show you. So these 18 yards Banaras saree will come in the range of above 5000 to 6000. I'll just show you the pallu, how beautiful it is. Next they have in the normal range, normal Banaras sarees in the range of 2000 to 3000. So that also let's see. So this is like a magenta color with a grand pallu and grand work in pink, blue and magenta. So if you are a fan of Banaras sarees, Akshay Textiles has some really good collection in the low range, mid range and in the higher end also. Handloom Kanjivaram antu higher end antu about 10 to 12,000 antu tangalagi ranges. So ये पूरा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन तुम्ही पळो येत. ऑल दीज आर प्योर हँडलूम कांजीवरम सारीज. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಕೊಂಡ್ಪೊಳೆ ಮಗ್ತೆ ಚಂದ ದಿಸ್ತ ಸಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾವನು ವೆರಿ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ದಿಸ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಓಪನ್ ಕೆಲ ಭಾರಿ ಚಂದ ದಿಸ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜೆ ಹಜ್ಜೆ एक ರೇಟ್ ಪೊಳೆ ಇದೆ ರೇಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ 1000 11,200. ब्रोकेड अंतू कांजीवरम सारीजाचे हांगालागी चंद कलेक्शन आसा. वकलेक आनी नेसोच्याक तुमी ग्रँड सारीज तुमकां जावका जाता कांजीवरम अंतू तेवे तांगले कलेक्शन आसा. रेड आनी पिंक शेड अंतू युजली वकलेक तेची शेडाचे ब्रोकेड कांजीवरम अंतू घालतांची तेवे पळोवया आमी. लास्टली तुमकां कांजीवरम सारीज अंतू अबाउट 10-12,000 तुमकां एफोर्ड करूं जायना. ते तितलेचे रेंजाचे तुमकां परचेस करूं जायना म्हण जाल्यार 5 to 7,000 रेंज अंतू हांगालागी ब्युटिफूल कांजीवरम सारीज आसा. ग्रँड लूक येता आनी तुमी पळयल्यार खंयचे ग्रँड फंक्शनाक व्हड फंक्शनाक न्हेसूं येता. सो तसो मिड रेंजाचे कांजीवरम सारीजाचे कलेक्शन पळया. सो ये एक कापड पळोवया मिड रेंजाचे कांजीवरम सारीज. ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है वेरी यूनिक कॉफी टाइपाचे कलर बॉर्डर आनी बॉडी सगळे मरून टायप. लोएस्ट म्हळ्यार 200 दुखून तुमकां 15,000चे सारीजाचे रेंज दाखयला इन अक्षय टेक्सटायल्स. So yes, do come to Akshay Textiles to have a look at some very beautiful saree collection right from 200 to 15 to 20,000. Akshay Textiles also has an Instagram page, so I'll just mention the details of their Instagram page below. So do follow them. There also they keep posting their updated sarees, the new collection which is there in the store. And yes, you can contact them through Instagram. And definitely if you're staying in and around Mangalore, you can come physically in the store and just have a look at their beautiful collection. ತಂಗಲ್ ವರೈಟಿ ತಂಗಲ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಡೋನು ತುಮಕಾಯಿ ಖುಷಿ ಜಾವನ್ ಅಸ್ತಲೆ. ಸೊ ಡೂ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಲೈಕ್, comment which was your favorite saree, and the one saree which I'm wearing is really my favorite currently in all whatever he showed. So I'll ask for the price of it, and yes, I'll end this video. Thanks for watching.